Hey there, and welcome back. Today, I'm diving into a pretty cool tool in cognitive behavioral therapy, for short, the pie chart technique. This is perfect for mental health students like you who are keen to expand their toolkit. So what's the pie chart technique all about? Essentially, it's a visual way to break down and understand different factors contributing to a particular issue or emotion. Think of it like slicing a pie to see what ingredients went into making it. Sounds yummy, right? First, here's how you use it. Start by getting a blank piece of paper and drawing a big circle. This circle is your pie. Next, identify the issue or emotion you're focusing on. For example, let's say you're feeling overwhelmed by stress. Now, break down that stress into contributing factors. These could be things like work, family, health, or social obligations. Draw slices in your pie to represent each factor. The size of each slice should correspond to how much that factor contributes to your overall stress. Once your pie is divided, label each slice with the corresponding factor. Visually, it helps you see which areas are taking up the most space in your stress pie. This is super useful because it can highlight areas you might not have considered as significant contributors. Okay, so you've got your pie chart. What's next? The real power of this technique lies in what you do with this insight. Now you can formulate a plan to address the biggest slices. Maybe you need to delegate some work tasks, set boundaries with family, or take better care of your health. The pie chart technique is not just about identifying problems, it's about empowering yourself to take actionable steps towards solutions. It's a fantastic way to visually map out your thoughts and feelings, making complex issues seem more manageable. Remember, the goal here is to use this tool to gain clarity and take control. It's perfect for both self-reflection and client sessions. So give it a try and see how it transforms your approach to managing stress and other overwhelming emotions. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mental health tips and techniques. Catch you next time.